Welcome to Cabrillo Marine Aquarium. I wanted to take a moment to share with you about an exciting project that will modernize the aquarium and greatly enhance the lives of our animals. At Cabrillo Marine Aquarium, the well-being of our animals is our top priority. Every day, our dedicated team works tirelessly to ensure our animals thrive in an environment that closely mimics their natural habitats. Now, we're taking that commitment one step further. The aquarium is embarking on an essential renovation of our life support system, an upgrade that's crucial to maintaining the health and safety of our marine life. Our life support system is the backbone of the aquarium. It keeps our water clean, our temperatures stable, and our animals safe. By modernizing the system, we're investing in the future and ensuring that we can continue to provide the best possible care for our marine residents. This renovation will bring state-of-the-art technology to our aquarium, enhancing water quality, energy efficiency, and overall system reliability. It's a complex project, but it's one that's absolutely necessary for the continued health of our animals.
Rest assured, Cabrillo Marine Aquarium will remain open to the public throughout the renovation. We know exactly how important it is for our guests, especially school children who come to us from throughout Los Angeles, to experience the magic of the ocean firsthand. But these improvements are expensive. We're lucky to get a bulk of our support from the Department of Recreation and Parks and the Port of Los Angeles, but we need your support more than ever to keep the aquarium free and open to the public, provide scholarships for field trips, and build new exhibits during the renovation.
We're committed to delivering a meaningful experience, allowing our visitors to connect deeply with the ecosystems and marine life that surround us. We've carefully planned the renovation to ensure that your visit will be as engaging and educational as ever. The Aquatic Nursery and Exploration Center will remain open for visitation, and these spaces will also add new feeding interactions and visitor experiences like holdfast dissections. To augment the marine biology experiences, CMA docents and staff will have educational stations throughout the courtyard that include such topics as marine ecosystems, jellies, whale communication, and a new touch tank. The auditorium will host movies and interactive shows, and we will increase our presence in the coastal park surrounding the aquarium, offering our visitors new ways and experiences to interact with real marine ecosystems like the salt marsh, beach, and tide pools.
At Cabrillo, we care deeply about our animals, our guests, and the oceans we all share. This renovation is more than just an upgrade. It's a promise to our animals and to you. We will strive to achieve the perfect balance, ensuring that our animals receive the best care possible while you continue to enjoy and learn from your visits. Thank you for being part of our community and for your understanding as we undertake this important work. We look forward to you visiting us during this renovation project. Together, we'll continue to inspire wonder and protect the marine world for generations to come.